How to add your name and mobile number on your iPhone lock screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your contact information to your iPhone lock screen. Let's get started. First, open the App Store and search for the AnyText app. You can use any similar app, but for this tutorial, I'll be using AnyText. Download and open the app once it's installed. Inside the AnyText app, you'll see the options to create up to 10 widgets. Tap on one widget and enter your name. Then, tap on another widget and enter your phone number. These widgets will display your contact information on your lock screen. Now, go to your Settings app and tap on Wallpaper. Scroll down and tap on Customize under the lock screen section. Here, tap on Add Widget. You'll see the AnyText option. Tap on it to view the widgets you created. Select the widget with your name and place it on your lock screen. Then, add the widget with your phone number. You can adjust their placement to make them look neat and organized. Once you're happy with the setup, tap Done to save your changes. Now, lock your phone and wake it up to see your name and phone number displayed on the lock screen. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.